The CN range of no-frost fridge freezers from Liebherr, combining stunning looks, outstanding performance and great storage conditions for your fresh and frozen food. The well-designed door furniture has a choice of variable heights and safety glass fitted for extra durability. Both fridge and freezer doors have alarms fitted in case they're left open. The fan in the fridge compartment ensures that the correct temperature is maintained in every corner of your refrigerator. Thanks to 2 separate cooling systems, there is no transfer of odours or tastes from fridge to freezer and vice versa, and fresh food is protected from drying out. Liebherr's unique no-frost technology means you will never have to defrost your freezer again, and your food retains its nutritional goodness. This accurate way of controlling the temperature in the fridge and freezer ensures that your food is stored at the exact temperature you want for maximum food freshness. These no-frost fridge freezers come in a choice of colours, heights and formats. The CN range of no-frost fridge freezers from Liebherr, combining stunning looks, outstanding performance and great storage conditions for your fresh and frozen food. Liebherr, 70 years of excellence.